Hello, you guys, and welcome to another story time brought to you by ABC Read and ABC Learn, in which we are here to help you develop and nurture that love of reading in every child as well as every adult. How are you all doing out there today, evening, real early in the morning, real late at night, in the middle of the afternoon, wherever you are around this planet Earth? I hope that you all are just doing absolutely terrific. And I hope that you all have read or you're planning to read for at least smallest amount of time, 30 minutes a day. You can read more, but at least get that 30 minutes in, all right? No more 15, no more 20. We talking 30, all right? I want to say more, but like I said, that's just the smallest amount we gonna work with, okay? Well, first of all, I want to dedicate this video to some brilliant, handsome young brothers, all right? And sister, by the way, Mahmoud, Muhammad, and Mariam. I wanted to give you guys a personal shout out because I just really appreciate how you all are just consistently watching our videos that we are putting out. I love your mother dearly. I've been knowing her ever since I was 18, 19 years old, all right? And beautiful mom. And I definitely appreciate you guys watching the videos, learning from them, and you guys keep doing that and keep making your mom proud, all right? So I just wanted to say that really quickly. And I also wanted to say before I get started with the book is that remember, reading is the foundation to all of your education, all right? So in order for you to do math, science, social studies, any type of subject, you must know how to read, period. Not just reading the words, but understanding what it is that you're reading, comprehending what it is that you're reading, all right? So remember, when you're about to do those math problems, especially when you start getting into those story problems, you have to know how to read, okay? And so in order for you to get to that point, after you learn how to read, you still have to keep doing a lot of it because then that's what's going to help you get better at your reading and you become a successful reader. All right, so with that being said, y'all, bam, this is our book, Tyrannosaurus Math. By Michelle Markle, illustrated by Doug Cushman. Wow. A Tyrannosaurus doing math? Is that what this one is about? Whoa, and look at that. See how he's writing that math problem using that stick, drawing it in the sand? Wow. You can do math anywhere, huh? Even at the beach. All right, let's go. Let's get it on and popping, y'all. Tyrannosaurus math. One muggy morning, a dinosaur burst from his shell. My, what big claws I have! He marveled as he counted his fingers. And what big toes I've got! He counted those too. Then he added his fingers and toes together, making a number sentence. Go figure, his mother cried, and she named him Tyrannosaurus Math. Crack, crack! Out popped two Tyrannosaurus brothers. Crack, crack, crack! Out popped three Tyrannosaurus sisters. That's me plus two plus three, he thought, and reckoned how many kids were in his family. Let's check out this math problem, you guys. By the time he was one, T-Math could count by twos. He counted all the footprints of the ornithomimus until they disappeared near the river. That was a tongue twister of a word. T Math learned his fives. He learned his tens even before he was old enough to eat them. He counted a whole herd of triceratops. Hey, 5, 10, 15, 20. T Math became a huge show off around his family. One afternoon, he gobbled up 263 dragonflies, and his brother gobbled up 259. Guess who ate the greatest number? He asked. Oh, what's the difference? His brother exclaimed. T Math knew that too, and he checked his answer by adding, just to be sure. Soon T Math could get his mouth around small herbivores. One day he devoured 39 pounds of meat, and a few days later, he scarfed down 62 more pounds. Ma! He yelled. How much do you think I've eaten lately? Enough to make you a colossal genius, his mother said. Look at this dude. Just a math Tyrannosaurus, huh? As the tyrant lizard grew and grew, his math skills became greater and greater. At his full size, nothing was scarier than the sight of T Math thundering through the forest, chewing on a problem in his head. His mind was as sharp as his teeth, and he totaled them every chance he got. Look at that problem. 30 times 2. 60. I got a good one, he announced one day during lunch. If I ate 3 ankylosaurs with 4 tasty legs each, how many legs would I eat in all? We give up, his sister groaned. How many? T-Math picked up a stick. Try drawing a picture. It seemed like nothing could stop that bone munching, number crunching Tyrannosaurus Math. When a hurricane struck, he made a pictograph of the leaves torn from the trees. Is he doing too much, y'all? When a meteorite sped toward the earth, he asked himself, sphere or cube? Before dashing for safety. And when a volcano launched colorful rocks onto the plain, he arranged them in rows to count them swiftly before the lava caught up with him. Then one afternoon, as T-Math went hunting with his brother and sister, they spotted 6 hadrosaurs out for a stroll. Dibs on the 3 big ones, said T-Math's brother. That's not fair, snapped his sister. Wait, T-Math said. We can share them equally. Know how many we'd each get? Oh, who cares? His sister said, stomping away. T-Math called after her. We can each have a big one and a small one. 2 out of 6 total. That's 1/3 for each of us. At that moment, the earth began to shake. Then it began to rumble. Trees toppled, boulders tumbled, the ground split open. T Math and his brother heard a cry. Help! Help! They found themselves on one side of a deep canyon, while their terrified sister stood on the other. For the first time in his life, T Math didn't know what to do. He twiddled his claws. He squinted. He thrashed his tail to and fro. Then he asked himself, how far across is the gap? He looked down at his feet. Around 20 of those, he estimated. T Math counted his footsteps as he walked alongside a fallen tree. Let's swing this trunk across the gulch, he said to his brother. Together they made a bridge for their sister, and she quickly clambered to safety. Who knew math could be so useful, she said. You'll have to teach us more of your tricks, said his brother. Wow. From that day on, it seemed there was no problem that the mega lizard and his family couldn't solve. Well, almost. One evening they tried to count the stars. T Math's brother counted to 50. His sister counted to 100. T Math counted to 1,000. But there were too many little sparkles scattered across an endless sky. His eyes were getting bleary. There could be 1,000,000,000 stars up there, he sighed. Good use of estimation, his mom exclaimed. Group hug! The kids all roared, and they all lived mathematically ever after. The end. Oh, wow. That was cute. I like that little cute story. It also showed how with math, when you master that math, they say people who are really good at math, they're really great problem solvers. And did you all see that in the story, right? How Tyrannosaurus math, he was able to solve that problem of getting his sister rescued. And then she changed her tune, right? She's like, wait a minute, hold up, hold up. He helped me with this by using his math skills that he has mastered. So now I can learn from him. I love it. I love it. All right, you guys. Well, that's it. Story time is up. And I hope that you all remember to please like, subscribe, and share our videos. And hit that little notification bell so every time a new story gets uploaded, you, my friends, will be the first to get it. All right, y'all. Take care of my reading revolutionaries, my reading family. And remember to please keep reading for at least 30 minutes a day. Real quick, let's see. What is that equal? What is if you do 30 minutes a day for 7 days, all right, in a row, how many minutes would you have read for that entire week? Let's go, math people. Come on. Let's do this. 30 times 7. Oh my gosh. 210 minutes for the week? Wow. Oh, wow, wow. That is So awesome. All right. And that equates to about 3.5 hours. All right. So you guys can do this. Okay. All right, y'all. Peace, family.